In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create and verify your RedotPay account in an easy way, because just today I have done it. And also you can get this 5 USD for free just by clicking the link that is available in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. Once you click the link, you will reach to this page, and if you simply click on continue with Google or put your email address and click on get $5, then you are going to get that $5 for absolutely free in your RedotPay account. Now let me show you how you can create and verify your account. Just type your email address and you'll see a box where it says verification code. Just click on get code. Now you can check your email, you will receive a code. You can see I have already received the email. Just click on that email and you can see the code at here, 642436. Now simply put that code at here and click on get $5. Now you will see this kind of interface. Now you just need to click on get app and you can download the app and you will get that $5 for absolutely free. Now see, this is my RedotPay account and I have already been approved and my account is absolutely verified. Okay, so watch this video till the end so that you can do the verification of this RedotPay within few minutes. I have even deposited 100 USD and I have also got my card, and also I have paid for Netflix already. So this works. So once you follow all the steps, you will see a dialog box after logging into your app. It says you received a 5 USD spending credit. So just click on get started. Now it says you need to link your phone number. It is very basic. Okay, you just click on OK and click on bind phone. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Select whichever country is yours, or you can also type at here, and then just put the phone number that you want to verify and click on next. Now you'll see this kind of thing, and you can also use WhatsApp, Telegram or SMS, whichever method you want to verify, you can verify. Okay, just click on that method and you will get a code in your WhatsApp, and you will need to put that code at here and just click on next and your phone will be verified. Once your phone number is verified, just click on this home and come to this page, and then click on this verify button that says verify your identity at the top. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now just select whichever country you are or type in at here and then just click on next. Now you need to put your name at here and select the date of birth in this way and click on confirm and select the document type. Let's select passport, and then you need to put the passport number at here and click on next. Now you need to make ready your document, okay, that is passport or whatever document you have selected, and then you need to do the face scan. Now you can just click on start verification and take the picture of your document and then do a selfie verification, and your account will be fully verified. Finally, within 2-3 minutes your verified account will look like this and it says approved at here.